Welcome, in front of me I have LG Q6 and today I will show you how you can install iPhone keyboard on this device. So at the first you have to open the Play Store, tap on the search wheel and type Green Apple Keyboard. We have to get this application from RVin Apps. Let's install. Right now we can open. Click to enable in the settings, tap on the Green Apple Keyboard English United States switcher, click OK for the 2 times, then just go back, click to switch input methods, switch the English United States Green Apple Keyboard and click to finish. Right now just take a look. As you can see, our keyboard has changed and it looks almost identical like on iPhone device, I mean any other iOS device. So that's how we can make it, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.